What do you like to do in the morning?
I like to go for a walk.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea every day.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, I use it for calling and learning.
Do you like silence or music?
I like music.
Do you pray daily?
Yes, in the morning.
What do you do on your birthday?
I cut a cake and enjoy with my family.
Do you go to weddings?
Yes, I go with my family.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Do you clean your room yourself?
Yes, I try to keep it clean.
Do you like watching the stars?
Yes, they are beautiful.
What do you do during holidays?
I rest and spend time with family.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, every weekend.
What is your favorite Indian dish?
I love pav bhaji.
Do you like learning on YouTube?
Yes, I learn English there.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, when I go out.
Do you like to read English books?
Yes, easy storybooks.
Do you like morning or night?
I like the morning.
What do you carry in your bag?
I carry my phone, wallet, and water bottle.
Do you believe in dreams?
Yes, I believe they have meaning.
What do you do at night?
I eat dinner and go to bed.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and action movies.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I love rainy days.
Have you ever seen snow?
No, I haven't.
Do you like your city?
Yes, my city is clean and peaceful.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I exercise at home.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work.
Do you go out on weekends?
Sometimes, with my family.
What is your favorite place?
I love the beach.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, I play puzzle games.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like buying clothes.
What do you like more, tea or coffee?
I like tea more than coffee.
What is your favorite vegetable?
I like potatoes.
Do you go to school or work every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
What do you do on holidays?
I rest and spend time with family.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you wear a watch?
No, I check the time on my phone.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want to eat something.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate ice cream.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, for work and study.
What's your favorite festival?
I like Diwali.
Do you eat meat?
No, I am a vegetarian.
What kind of clothes do you like?
I like simple and comfortable clothes.
Are you learning English alone?
Yes, but sometimes I practice with friends.
What makes you happy?
Talking with family and friends.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, but only at home.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Sunday.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay home and drink tea.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, sometimes.
What makes you smile?
A good joke or kind words.
Do you like reading the newspaper?
Yes, I read it in the morning.